Hello guys, today we are working on a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage. Uh, I will be replacing the brake pad and the rotor. For this we need a 21 millimeter. Let me put some gloves on real quick. We need a 21 millimeter socket to remove the lug nut. It might be different for your vehicle, so please don't quote me on that. But this particular one is 21 millimeter. Okay, so okay, so let's see what is that. Okay, all right. So I'm going to be replacing the brake pad and the rotor. So I'm gonna turn the steering wheel to have some space. This I'm going to press back the caliper, push it back in a little bit. Okay, let me get a bigger bolt, a bigger screwdriver. So I'm going to push back the brake caliper all the way in. I think we're good. I think it's all the way in now. Now, excuse me, with a 14 millimeter, I'm going to remove this bolt. Okay. Okay, it's coming off. So first I press the brake caliper using a screwdriver all the way inside the bracket, and with 14 millimeter I'm removing these two bolts. These are long bolts. So okay, yeah, this is what they look like. All right. Okay. going to remove this brake pad. That's what it looks like. And let me set this aside. So I'm going to hammer this here, okay? And then the rotor will come off. Make sure you hammer on this side. It's pretty tight there, but it's gonna come off. Let's try again to spray some WD-40. So I think we're just gonna keep hammering it. Okay, I think now it's off. Okay. Okay, it's off. So alright, so now we are going to go ahead and hold it with one bolt while we install the new brake pad with one lug nut, I meant. Okay, so going to twist it again. Okay, all right, going to install the brake pad in the back first. This is how it should go. For reference, you can check the old pad to double check. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So I go ahead and just clean it up a little bit. And all right, and here I'm going to remove this one. And install a new one. Okay, and that's it. These are 14mm. Pull down the back, the caliper bolt, And at the bottom also, we put it back. Okay. And that's it. We just tighten it up. Okay. It's almost there. Okay. The bottom also. Sorry. Okay. I think we're good. All right. We can put back the tire and we are done. Please, if you have any question, please leave in the comment. Please like and subscribe so I can make more video. Thanks for your support. I appreciate it.